Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Halloween is a time for spooky fun and creative decorations, and your kitchen is no exception when it comes to getting into the Halloween spirit. Start by embracing the classic Halloween symbol, pumpkins. Decorate your kitchen with a variety of pumpkins, from real ones with spooky faces to decorative ones in different colors and sizes, artfully placed on countertops, shelves, and tables. Consider using Halloween-themed templeware such as black or orange plates, spiderweb, tablecloths, and eerie-themed placemats to seek a spooky table setting. Don't forget to complement the setting with spider-shaped napkin holders or skull pattern glassware. For your windows, add a touch of Halloween with spooky window clings or decals featuring silhouettes or witches, goats, spiders, and bats. Black lighting them with courage or purple starring lights can make them even more captivating. You can also swap out the usual curtains for Halloween themes that showcase haunted houses, watches, or pumpkins, instantly changing the ambience of your kitchen. To add depth to your decor, hang Halloween-themed decoration from ceiling or light fixtures such as dangling skeletons, bats, or ghosts. These can contribute to eerie and haunted atmosphere you desire. Candles can play a significant role in creating the right ambience. Place candle inside carved pumpkins or lanterns for an enchanting glow. You can even opt for second candles in fragrance like cinnamon or apple to evoke the essence of the season. For a subtle yet effective off touch, scatter plastic spider webs or snakes strategically around your kitchen. These small, inexpensive props can make a big impact in adding a spooky element to your decor. Change your kitchen towels and oven mittens to Halloween themed ones with designs featuring witches, ghosts, or bats. It's a subtle but effective way to infuse Halloween spirit into your kitchen. Create a Halloween themed centerpiece for your kitchen table with fox, followers, mini pumpkins, goats, and spooky figures in a decorative bowl or tray. These centerpieces will become a focal point of your Halloween decor. Finally, don't forget the treats. Display Halloween themed candies, cookies, and snacks in decorative jars or blows to add both the decor and to prove tasty treats for your guests. These Halloween kitchen decor ideas will help you transform your kitchen into a festive and fun space for the spooky season. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.